From the depths I return.
This event happened on this day and month, December 26. In the year 887, Berengar I is elected as the King of Italy by the Lords of Lombardy. He is crowned with the Iron Crown of Lombardy at Pavia. In 1723, Bach led the first performance of his, oh god, I'm definitely gonna butcher this, Der Zug ist erschienen der Song Gottes, BWV 40, his first Christmas cantata composed for Leipzig. In 1776, in the Battle of Trenton during the American Revolutionary War, the Continental Army under General George Washington executed a successful surprise attack and defeats the garrison of Hessian forces serving Great Britain. In 1799, Henry Lee's III eulogy to George Washington in Congress declares him as, I quote, first in war, first in peace, and the first in the heart of his countrymen, end quote. In 1862, during the American Civil War, the Battle of Chickasaw Bayou began as the Union General William T. Sherman starts landing his troops in an attempt to advance on Vicksburg, Mississippi. In 1944, during the Second World War, George S. Patton's Third Army breaks the encirclement of surrounded U.S. forces at Bastogne in Belgium, for ending the said siege. In 1968, the Communist Party of the Philippines is established by Jose Maria Sison, breaking away from the Partido Komunista ng Pilipinas that was formed in 1930. In 1972, during the Vietnam War, as part of Operation Linebacker II, 120 American B-52 Stratofortress bomber attacked Hanoi, including 78 launched from Andersen Air Force Base in Guam, the largest single combat launch in Strategic Air Command history. In 1975, 2-144, the first commercial supersonic aircraft surpassing Mach 2, goes into service. In 1991, the Supreme Soviet of the Soviet Union meets and formally dissolved the Soviet Union. The USSR has lasted 69 years. Finally, in 2004, the 9.1 to 9.3 magnitude Indian Ocean earthquake shook northern Sumatra with a maximum Mercalli intensity of 9, one of the largest observed tsunamis. It affected coastal and partially mainland areas of Thailand, India, Sri Lanka, the Maldives, Malaysia, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. Death toll is estimated at 227,898. And that is all, folks. See you tomorrow. I hope to see you tomorrow, by the way. I am very, very tired right now, recording this at 12 p.m. a.m. And see you on the next episode on